I never saw it coming until it was over. Oh, and half of my mistakes I made with love on the line. Anybody else? I made, I should have known better. Oh, and half of my mistakes I made just amongst friends. You get a little distance on it, the truth is clearer. Oh, and half of my mistakes I've made, I'll probably make them again. But if I had it all to do over, I'm sure I'd win and I'd lose just as much. I spent a